Meet the master musicians of mimicry. Mockingbirds are sound artists in their own right. These birds are known for copying any sound they hear, from car alarms to other bird songs, and incorporating them into their own melodies. Imagine being able to perfectly reproduce a symphony orchestra's rendition of Beethoven's Fifth without ever having seen or heard it before. That's what mockingbirds can do. The remarkable ability to mimic sounds is thought to be an adaptation for attracting mates and defending territory, making them one of the most fascinating examples of animal communication. Have you ever tried to learn a new song on your instrument? How many times did it take you before you got it right? Share your music stories in the comments below. Follow Animal Bytes for your daily dose of the wild.